We are going to talk about the top 10 Jamaican female dancehall artists for 2025. Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us. Celebrating the women who are shaping the sound, culture, and global influence of dancehall right now. Jamaican Female Dancehall Artists in 2025. Dancehall has always been a powerful voice of Jamaica's streets, clubs, radio, and global music culture, and the women leading the movement in 2025 are louder, bolder, and more influential than ever. From chart-topping creators to genre-pushing trailblazers, dancehall in 2025 has one clear message: the women are running it. From global superstars to raw street voices, these female artists are shaping Jamaica's sound, culture, and charts right now. Here's our countdown of the top 10 Jamaican female dancehall artists defining the scene this year. Some will shock you, some will start arguments. Let's get into the top 10 Jamaican female dancehall artists of 2025. Number 10, Moyann. Raw, unfiltered, street certified, Moyann brings real-life experiences straight into her music, making her one of the most authentic female voices in dancehall today. She may not be mainstream yet, but the streets are listening. Moyann, raw street energy. Moyann delivers gritty, street-level dancehall that resonates with hardcore fans. Her lyrics reflect real experiences, giving her authenticity in a scene that values realness. Why she's here: street credibility, raw lyrics, underground respect. Number 9, Leela Ik. Smooth vocals, conscious lyrics, and undeniable presence. While dancehall adjacent, Leela Ik's crossover appeal keeps her firmly in the conversation, especially on international stages. Leela Ik dancehall adjacent. Leela Ik bridges dancehall, reggae, and modern Caribbean soul. While more melodic, her influence in the dancehall space continues to grow through collaborations and live performances. Why she's here: artistic depth, crossover audience, international touring. Number 8, D'Angel. Proof that reinvention works. D'Angel has adapted to the modern era, keeping herself relevant through consistency, image evolution, and loyal fans. D'Angel, reinvented and relevant. D'Angel has successfully reinvented herself for the modern era. Her music, image, and digital presence keep her relevant among younger dancehall audiences in 2025. Why she's here: reinvention, experience, steady relevance. Number 7, Pamputtae. Controversial, yes. Ignored, never. Pamputtae thrives on viral moments, bold lyrics, and unapologetic confidence, keeping her name trending whether people love or hate her. Pamputtae, dancehall's most controversial voice. Pamputtae thrives on controversy, viral moments, and unfiltered lyrics. Love her or hate her, she knows how to dominate conversations in dancehall spaces. Why she's here: viral traction, unapologetic style, cultural buzz. Number 6, Muir. One of dancehall's most reliable hitmakers. Shenseea's seductive vocals and club-ready records keep her songs in rotation across Jamaica and overseas. Muir is one of the strongest female hitmakers in current dancehall. Her sultry vocals and confident lyrics keep her songs in rotation both locally and abroad. Why she's here: consistent releases, strong streaming numbers, club appeal. Number 5, Stalk. Fearless, viral, uncensored. Stalk represents the new school female dancehall rebellion, grabbing attention with bold lyrics, fashion, and social media dominance. Stalk, bold, fearless and viral. Stalk represents the new school female dancehall rebellion. Her explicit confidence, fashion-forward image, and viral singles make her one of the most talked about artists online. Why she's here: youth appeal, viral success, fearless branding. Number 4, Coffee. Grammy-winning, globally respected, and proudly Jamaican. Coffee continues to blur the lines between reggae and dancehall while carrying Jamaica's sound to the world. Coffee, Caribbean excellence on a global stage. Though rooted in reggae, Coffee's sound sits comfortably within modern dancehall culture. In 2025, she continues to represent Jamaica internationally, bringing positivity and versatility to the genre. Why she's here: Grammy recognition, global respect, crossover appeal. Number 3, Jada Kingdom. Emotional depth meets modern dancehall swagger. Jada Kingdom's music connects deeply with fans through storytelling, vulnerability, and strong visual branding. Jada Kingdom, emotion, edge and authenticity. Jada Kingdom has carved out her own lane. Her music blends raw emotion, storytelling, and modern dancehall melodies, making her one of the most relatable and creative female artists today. Why she's here: unique sound, loyal fanbase, artistic growth. Number 2. Spice, the Queen. No explanation needed. Spice's influence on dancehall culture is unmatched. From music to branding to controversy, she remains one of the most powerful figures in the genre. Spice, the undisputed queen of dancehall. Spice remains the most commanding female voice in dancehall culture. In 2025, she balances music, branding, and cultural influence, while still delivering bold records that resonate locally and internationally. Why she's here: cultural dominance, longevity, influence over the genre. Number 1. Shenseea, global dominance, hit records, star power. Shenseea is Jamaica's biggest female music export right now, effortlessly crossing dancehall, pop, and hip-hop while staying rooted in yard culture. Global superstar status. Shenseea continues to sit comfortably at the top. In 2025, her international collaborations, chart-ready singles, and crossover appeal make her the most globally visible female dancehall artist. Whether it's festivals, streaming numbers, or social media dominance, Shenseea is still miles ahead. Why she's here: global reach, hit records, mainstream crossover. In 2025, Jamaican female dancehall artists are no longer fighting for space, they're commanding it. From Shenseea's global dominance to Stalk Ashley's viral rebellion, these women are pushing dancehall forward in sound, image, and influence. Dancehall's future is bold, female, and Jamaican. That's our list, but dancehall always sparks debate. Who did we miss? Who's ranked too high, or too low? Drop your list in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more real dancehall content.